Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks. Like Wyatt is behind me here. Xana's here, the whole gang is all here. I'm Laura if you're new. So happy you're joining me. Please hit that subscribe and hang out with us. It really helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. And for today, I have a Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing for you. This one is Stylist pick, so I did do the option that is Amazon Personal Stylist by Amazon Prime Wardrobe. Hi, Z. Zena's giving me kisses. So that means my stylist does all the hard work. I don't have to do any of it, but you don't have to do that. You can just choose to do Prime Wardrobe all on your own, and then you pick your items. I have found that a lot of times there are better pricing through Prime Wardrobe, so let me know if you see that. However, before I check out, I do always check prices because I find on Amazon the prices change quite frequently. The sun is out today. I haven't been outside all day, so I decided to come out. It is, bless you, it is after work, so it's later in the evening, and I've been inside all day, and it is a hot one. So it is 88 degrees out here right now. Can you imagine? I didn't even know that because, like I said, I've been inside all day. All right, so we're going to dig in. Amazon Prime Wardrobe is a service through your Prime Wardrobe membership. Like I said, you can choose to make your picks yourself, or you can choose the Stylist option. If you choose the Stylist option, it is $4.99 a month, and it will just automatically kick off for you. And you do get to request items. You can ask for certain occasion type items. You can ask for specific items, and you do get to preview them. And then you'll pick, I think they sent about 12 styles. You can add additional styles or different color options and choose 8 of them, up to 8 of them, and have them sent to you. And that's what I have here. Everything does come in plastic, so I'll get everything out of the plastic for you. You put everything back in the box that you don't want to keep and send it right back. I believe it is UPS. It doesn't go by regular mail. Let me see. Yep, you get a little pamphlet here that gives you your pricing sheet, and it goes back UPS. All right, here's what I see when I open it. So a lot of packing tape and a lot of individual bags. So let me get everything out of the bag and we'll go through each item. Okay, everything's out of the plastic. Let's do this. First up is a pair of sandals from Splendid. These are really nice. I like that thin strapping. Look how cute that is. Has a nice chunky heel, not too high, very cute. I like those. And they're in like a saddle color. Let's see what they call them. This is Splendid Women's Melly Slide Sandals, $64.83. They're calling them Cognac. All right, next up is a pair of shorts. These are by The Drop, and these are a kind of an off-white. I thought they were white, but they're not. They have a little bit of a vintage look to them, and they are a, oh, there's a bug. They have a paper bag waist. Check out the pockets there at the bottom. Those are kind of fun. Those are cute. They are called the Women's Ivory. So this is called Ivory. Paper bag waist, belt is short, and they are $30.08. So not a bad price. Then I have a top by Tommy Hilfiger. What do you think of that? There's a pretty floral pattern through it. Has that little bit of ruffling around the neck. I don't know if I love. Hidden, no buttons. No buttons. And this one is called Sleeveless Ruffle Blouse by Tommy Hilfiger, $27.51. Also not a bad price. Next up is another top. This one is by BCBG. This one has a ruching on the side, which I'm just seeing. Check that out. Like the blue color, has that crossover, a little bit of a peplum style. That's pretty. Should be interesting to try that on. This one is called the Women's Surplus Wrap Sleeveless Top 5684. One more top here, maybe. This one's by J. Crew. This is pretty. I like that color. Has a little bit of the ruffle. I've seen a lot of this style shoulder this year. This color is super pretty. I have the sun behind me now, which is like the worst place for it for filming. And this one is $38.73. It's just called the J. Crew Mercantile Women's Sleeveless Ruffle Top in Coral Rose. All right, then I have a dress. This is by Guess, and it's called the Sleeveless NYX Engineered Rib Knit Midi Dress in Lavender, $58.80. It's a sweater dress. What do you think of that? Check out the lavender color, very, very pretty. It's probably midi length, I'm guessing. Tiny little slit there in the back. Okay, that should be fun to try on. Next up, I think is another dress. Who is this one by? This one is by, oh, this has a tight neck. The Drop. Check that neckline out. I feel like I need to start stretching it now. This one's in a dusty rose color. Also longer, might be midi. I see one slit here on the side. This one's called the High Neck A-Line Slide Slit Maxi Sweater Dress, $47.41. Maybe it won't, that looks a little better when I hold it like that. And one last item. These are Democracy Denim Absolution shorts. And I need to get, let's see, the price for these. They came separately, different bag, $64. They're called the 5-inch Absolution short in indigo. That's all the pieces. All right, not too bad. It looks interesting at a minimum. So let's get right to the try on and see how they look. All right, first outfit. This is the sweater dress. And for those of you that don't mind things touching the front of your neck, this is fabulous. I'm not going to keep it just for that reason. I can really feel it, but I love it. It has a side slit. It's a midi length. Feels amazing on. Great transition to fall. I love everything about it except for this neckline. It does require a racer back bra, which I don't have on right now, but easily rectified. And I'm also loving the shoes. So the shoes have that minimalistic strapping. There's 3 straps. It's a great color. Another one that would go well into fall until the weather gets too bad to be able to wear sandals, but another love with the chunky heel. Comfy so far. Here's a closer look. I know the sun's going to be a bit of a challenge for me today, but hopefully you can see the color and the fit. And we'll keep going. All right, so next outfit. This one is the paper bag waist short with the pockets, like double pockets in the front. So it has the patch pocket and side pocket. And this really cute little ruffly sleeve without being exaggerating, because I really am not really huge on ruffles. V-neck top. Love this corally color, very soft, but perfect for the season. Excuse me, perfect for the season. Not sure I love the paper bag waist, believe it or not. I think maybe the fit's a little bit off for me, but like the idea of them. I already own a white pair, so I'm thinking I don't need a second pair, but I do think the fun extra pockets in the front are kind of cool. Loving the top though. What do you think? And of course the shoes go with this outfit as well, which I really like. I think it makes for a cute outfit. Okay, so now I have the Guess dress on. This one's a little shorter than I was expecting it to be. It feels like it should be bodycon, but look how much stretch I have. Did I say stress I have? It's been a long day. Oh my, it has all this ribbing going through it, and then it goes off to the side. It's a V-neck strapping. Here's what it looks like. What What do you think of this? I love the lavender color, but I'm afraid it might be too light across my tushy. Here's a closer look. I think I like the idea of it. I'm not sure I would pull for it. Like, I don't know if I would wear it. Again, the shoes go with it. So I'm liking these shoes. They pretty much go with everything. And I think it's a cute dress. Can't remember the price of it, but I don't think it was like cheap. It feels nice on. I think you could wear it for definitely different occasions, from date night to covering, you know, putting a blazer on and potentially wearing it for work. I would do a longer one, a longer blazer, and then you'd have like a day to night look. But let me know what you think. We'll keep going. Next up, I now have on the Democracy shorts and this, I think this is BCBG top. Cross front, I'm not worried about it pulling open, which is nice. Has this ruching here, or drawstring at the side, hangs a little bit asymmetrically. This is a cute top. What do you think of this one? The shorts do cuff, but you can uncuff them. They are a nice length. I feel like they're a little tighter than I like, but I could probably unroll them, and maybe we'll do that for the next top I need to try on. Let me know what you think of this top. I think it's kind of fun. I'm wondering if I would pick it to wear, but I kind of like it. And that takes us to the final outfit. I have one more top to try on for you. Final outfit. Okay, and I uncuffed the shorts. What do you think of the shorts? So first I have to tell you they feel better now, because now see they're like wider. I have lots more room at the wider part of my leg. I don't know if they look better. I'm thinking they probably look better cuffed, but they feel better to me right now. Okay, and then I have on the Tommy Hilfiger top, which I'm loving the colors in this top. I'm not sure I'm loving this cutesy little ruffle, but let me know what you think. But I love the bright green, the blue. It looks pretty together. The colors are gorgeous, but I don't know if I like the ruffling, but that's me. I'm not a girl who loves too much ruffles. I like that little bit at the shoulder in the coral top, but I don't know if I like it going down my center. I don't know. Let me know, because I do think the print is pretty and the colors are pretty. All right, and that is all the items, so let's do a wrap up and see where we landed. Okay, so I moved to a different spot, so hopefully I won't be squinting at you and I'm out of the sun. It is brutal out today for some reason. It is hot, hot, hot. Okay, so here's where I'm at the moment. I'm not sure about this top, so I want to hear from you. Let me know if it's a keeper or not. I'm not sure about these shorts. I'm going to keep the pair for my Nordstrom anniversary sale if you caught that one, so I think I'm going to go with those and pass on this pair. I am contemplating this little top because it was different, and I love the asymmetrical fit of it and that little side ruching, but I'm contemplating. I'm not for certain yet. I'm just not sure. The dress, this one, this was the guest dress. I'm thinking it's a no. I did really like this simple little top. Love it because you could go casual or dress it up. Perfect for those virtual meetings. So this one I'm thinking might be a definite yes. The paper bag waist shorts I thought were super cute, but since I already own a pair, I don't think I need an ivory pair. I'm good with the white pair that I have. I'm thinking I'll just keep those. This dress was the high neck one. I thought it was adorable. I would keep it if I didn't have this whole thing where I don't like things touching the front of my neck. I know, go figure. I don't know why I have that. And then the shoes. I really like these. I'm considering these as well. So this is a maybe, and the blue top is a maybe. And I want to hear what you thought about this top. And that's everything. So overall, not bad, right? I'll list all these items down below in case you want to check any of them out on the Amazon site. I'll also, in case you also want to request them from your stylist. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you had fun. I enjoyed bringing these pieces to you. Please hit that like button before you go. And would love to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, bye everybody.